Good morning, students. I am Raman Gupta from Government College Bara, and I am here with a new video. I told in the last video that we would discuss some character sketches of different characters from the novel Train to Pakistan, and here in this video, we are going to discuss a character, an important character, Hukam Chand from Train to Pakistan, a famous novel written by Khushwant Singh. So, what are the character sketch of the character Hukam Chand? So, let's begin. Train to Pakistan, written by Khushwant Singh, is a novel which narrates the partition of India. As I have told you, and you all know that this novel belongs to a story related to partition of India. The novel is set in the small village of Mano Majra. The story mostly revolves around three characters: Iqbal, an educated social reformer, Iqbal Singh. The full name of the character was Iqbal Singh, and he was an educated social reformer. Jagat Singh, an important character or hero of the novel, we can say hero of the novel, was a Sikh man who lives in the village with a bad reputation. His reputation was not good, though he was a good man. And Hukam Chand, the corrupt commissioner. Hukam Chand has been portrayed as a corrupt commissioner or a corrupt officer who was working over there during that time. In the next, Hukam Chand's part of the story does not focus on his job and what he does around the town, but instead examines all of his daily problems and stresses. Alcohol becomes one of the tools Hukam Chand uses in an attempt to escape his problems and stresses responsibilities. Hukam Chand was an alcoholic person. He was a drunkard and he used to consume wine, to get rid of his responsibilities, problems, and stresses. Alcohol also enables him to commit many immoral things. As we all know that in the condition of intoxication, person is not able to do the works right in a right way. So the immoral acts committed by him were the result of his consumption of alcohol. Because he is under the influence, even justified tryst with a teenage prostitute, the same age as his deceased daughter. He had illegal relationships with a prostitute, teenage prostitute. She was a prostitute. The name of the prostitute was Hasina, but her age was just below 18. And Hukam Chand had a relationship with her who was just the age of his daughter. That act was immoral, but he used to do that because of the influence of alcohol. It becomes apparent throughout the story that he is a man in moral conflict because of it. And he was always in a conflict. Khushwant Singh depicts this moral conflict uniquely by describing Hukam Chand with a dirty appearance. He has been shown with a dirty appearance. His appearance is not good, which could be a use of symbolism to represent his immoral actions. This is a way to show the immorality. If the character is not a good one, he is portrayed, or his outer appearance is outfits, his lifestyle, everything shows that he is not a good man, or not a good character. His traits with the young prostitute shows the same. Khushwant Singh also uses Hukam Chand's encounter with two Gakuks to display the character's ethical issues. When they begin fighting, they fall right next to him, causing him to panic. Hukam Chand felt, these are the original words from the text. Hukam Chand felt as if he had touched the lizards and they had made his hands dirty. He rubbed his hands on the hem of his shirt. It was not the sort of dirt which could be wiped off or washed clean. This was a matter of untouchability. If a person belonging to Muslim community, or a community which is considered as a low caste, the people of so-called higher class at that time used to show that they had done something wrong, or they are not clean if they have touched them. So the Hukam Chand used to show that act clearly. Although Hukam Chand struggles with many moral issues, the reader sees him change towards the end of the novel in a few ways. One way is his attitude towards Muslims changes and he releases Jagga or Jagat Singh, the protagonist hero, from jail. Khushwant Singh also shows Hukam Chand's more humanistic behavior in the portion where Hukam Chand aids in saving hundreds of Muslims. So his character is actually the mixture of both goodness and evil. Sometimes he was good, other times he was not, because of the influence of alcohol or the immorality which was there in his character. So he is a blend of both merits and demerits. So although Hukam Chand may have is introduced as a shady character, he was able to change somewhat by the end of the book. In the last, he has been shown as a changed man. However, do his actions in the end outweigh his immoral behavior in the beginning? So this was all about Hukam Chand's character. I hope you have got this character sketch, and if you find any problem, you can ask me through different ways. You can drop any message, you can drop any text message. If you find any problem, you can ask me through that. Otherwise, you can call me anytime. So students, listen to this video, see it and prepare it well, because this is one of the important characters of the novel. So in the next video, I'll discuss some other character sketch. Thank you and have a nice day.